Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you've been on Trailhead, then you have definitely heard of badges, but have you heard of super badges? Well, today I will show you everything you need to know about badges, and in the description there's some awesome links to different things that I talk about in the video, so be sure to check that out as well. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'm putting out new Salesforce content each week, and let's jump into this video. So what exactly are super badges? Well, unlike regular badges that test you on smaller tasks, super badges are designed to test you around real-world scenarios. The super badges are often comprehensive, ensuring you can apply what you have learned from the easier badges to the super badge. Here, let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So we are taking a look at the ScreenFlow Fundamental Super Badge unit. So as you can see here, you actually have to do prerequisites before you even unlock the super badge. Now you can see I have done all the prerequisites, so now I'm able to unlock this and look at the super badge unit. So as you can see, they have steps here. So you'll configure a ScreenFlow to collect information from users, use flow elements and actions to create detailed records, and use record elements to find and update matching records. Scrolling down, what you have here is you have pre-work notes, and then you have to sign up for a developer edition org if you don't already have one. And then here's the use case and the business requirements. And then you go into the screen one, exactly what you should put in here. Now, unlike the other badges, these instructions are not step by step. You have to read the business requirements, the use case, and then look exactly what they want you to have in here. Yes, they're going to tell you what the API name and some of the things should be for some of it, but it's highly suggestive. So as you go through this, when you come down to the bottom here, you check each section here. So set up screen one resource management, and then you can check your challenge. And then there's multiple steps to this. There's 5 before you get your super badge. Now what makes these so challenging is that there is no clear direction on you should add this here. You need to make sure you label this a certain way. And it's really left up to you to look at the business requirements and go in here and figure it out. Something else to consider with super badges is that they actually are more reputable than just your regular badges. So even some of the job postings that I've seen even list like earning super badges just below certifications. So maybe it's an admin job, they want you to have the admin cert, but they would also love for you to have super badges as well, and they even list that in the job description. Now, something of note too is there's many different types of super badges. As you can see right here, I'm on my profile on Trailhead, and it actually will list out separately the badges that you have earned here. And I have 3 that I've earned: my security specialist, lightning experience reports and dashboards, and business administration specialist. Now, obviously, I need to be working on some more super badges, but when people come in to verify your certifications, if you have any, and they look at your profile on Trailhead, you will also have your super badges listed here. So it's a great asset to have, especially when you're trying to sell the skills that you've learned. Now, something else I wanted to show you here, and the links for all this is in the description as well. This is the complete Trailhead badges to build skills. This is kind of a little Trailhead section you can go through to learn everything you need to know about Trailheads. I actually haven't even taken this myself, and I'm happy to be sharing it with you guys so that you can go do this. So it talks about building experience, introducing super badges, talking about the prereqs, and super badges can represent real world scenarios, which it most definitely does. And then there understand Salesforce roles. There's definitely super badges geared towards different roles. So just kind of be on the lookout for that. So they have them listed out here. So maybe the consultant, you want to do the business administration specialist. And you can use multiple badges to envision a business case. So this is pretty cool too. So just go through this and check it out. And then you can take the quiz at the bottom and earn some points and even get you a basic badge as well. Something else that I would definitely recommend is that when you earn super badges, make sure you share it on social media, especially if you're on LinkedIn. That's a great place to network. Share your super badges. People really are interested in that, and it shows that you have a higher level of skill than just earning the regular Salesforce badges. So I would highly encourage you to do that. And if you're someone that's just really getting into Salesforce, has not really been in a Salesforce admin role before, then listing those out on your resume can be a great way to strengthen those along with your certifications, and then listing out some projects you've done. So if you maybe, for example, you get the ScreenFlow Super Badge, what you could do is you could have a project section talking about the project you did for the Super Badge to kind of give, beef up your resume to help you get your first admin job. But if you found this video interesting, please leave it a like so I know to make more videos like this in the future. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you in the next one.